The ketogenic diet is the new superstar in the health and weight loss world. It can be very effective in managing weight, but it has a lot more perks than merely weight loss. Ketogenic lifestyle brings a whole new set of benefits that you can get from a certain eating style. Improved mental performance, better focus, less to no cravings, reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, lowered blood pressure, and the list goes on. If this keto is so magical, then where it has been the whole time? Well, it was developed during the 1920s as a treatment for childhood epilepsy. It turned out to be very effective and has got more and more traction ever since. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. What is keto diet? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan designed to shift your body's primary energy source from carbohydrates to fat. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake, the body enters a state called ketosis, where it breaks down fats into ketones to use as fuel. This shift can lead to effective weight management, stable energy levels, reduced cravings, and improved mental performance. However, the keto diet is not suitable for everyone, as it may cause hormonal disruptions and nutritional deficiencies, particularly in women. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting the keto diet, especially if you have underlying health concerns. Is the keto diet bad for you? Number 1. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, there has not been much research on how the keto diet specifically affects pregnancy. But we know that the side effects of the keto diet can include weight loss, nutrient deficiencies, anemia, hydration, constipation. A pregnant and breastfeeding woman often needs to consume more protein and extra fiber, which will help to support fetal growth and development of the baby. It also provides essential minerals and vitamins. A woman's body during pregnancy and breastfeeding period needs more nutrition that cannot be naturally acquired from the keto diet menu. This is why the keto diet is not suitable for pregnant women. Number 2. Can keto cause adrenal fatigue? Adrenal fatigue is often the consequence of long-suffered stress factors. Research suggests that adrenal fatigue combined with the keto diet can make the condition even worse, mainly because of the spike in cortisol levels. Some common symptoms of adrenal fatigue are increased irritability, low energy, irregular menstruation, insomnia, depression, anxiety, digestive issues, and so on. For example, lean individuals who are on keto and also doing high-intensity training may create a chronic stress that the body is unable to adapt to. The ketogenic diet is just additional stressor for your body and mind, in the beginning, that you don't need. Number 3. If you have blood sugar issues, when you are starting out with the keto diet, you probably experience low blood sugar. This can be dangerous if you have unstable blood sugar or you are on diabetes medication. There is plenty of research on managing this topic through low-carb diets. However, people with a history of diabetes or hypoglycemia should only follow a ketogenic diet under close medical supervision. This is important because diabetes medication dosages often need adjustment due to the diet's restrictive nature. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 4. If you have a history of an eating disorder, should you be on the keto diet? This might sound self-explanatory, but let's go over this once more. If you have the tendency to eating disorders, then you might want to pass this one. It's mainly because the ketogenic eating style is already very restrictive. For example, there are no so-called cheat days as you might see sometimes in other diets. Some studies even suggest that low-carb diets are very effective, but usually up to 6 months. This is because this is the time frame when people usually give up and fall back into their old eating habits. Notice that I am referring to keto diet as the ketogenic lifestyle? That is because I see the keto diet as a lifestyle choice, not a crash diet. Number 5. If you have a history of gut dysbiosis, the ketogenic diet can alter gut flora. If you have a history of gut dysbiosis, then you need to be extremely careful when considering the ketogenic diet, because it can reduce the diversity of the gut microbiota. You need prebiotic fiber for a healthy gut, and beneficial prebiotic fiber come from carbohydrate sources. As with the keto diet, you will cut out most carb sources. Your microbiota can shift to other direction, which can, in turn, contribute to digestive problems, skin issues, and more. One way to cope with that is to manage your fiber intake during the diet. Number 6. Is keto good if you are nutrient deficient? Although keto diet is high-fat diet, it's not uncommon that the weight loss can occur very rapidly if the diet is followed properly. If you are already underweight or deficient in nutrients, the keto diet is not recommended. If you lose weight easily, a moderate diet that includes complex carbs and healthy fats and proteins may be a better fit. Although the variety of ketogenic foods is pretty big, it lacks many fiber-rich foods, as you need to eliminate all the grains and starchy vegetables from the daily menu. Number 7. Should you be on the keto diet if you have a history of kidney disease? Following the keto diet increases the risk of kidney stones. This is an unfortunate side effect. If you are prone to kidney problems, then it might be smart to keep away from keto. Now, we all might have experienced kidney stones sometime during our lives. Does this mean I should never do anything anymore? Definitely not. If you are still interested in managing weight using keto diet, we suggest to consult with your doctor and let them check your urine calcium creatinine ratio. In this way, you can be sure you are not putting pressure on your kidneys. Before you dive into keto diet and buy a fridge full of healthy fats, understand that this diet causes disruption to your life. It is a pretty restrictive diet. Thankfully, it comes with enough positive side effects that will justify this eating style. Listen to your body and mind and enjoy the process. If you have any conditions described in this article or any other medical conditions, then before you consider the keto diet, consult with your doctor. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.